In behalf of Ran Monaco and the Montana Home, I welcome you all to this Montana Misora Phase 2 Site Development Completion and Project Blessing.
Montana Homes being the best entrepreneurship.
Na isang napakagandang proyekto.
This project and they are really serious on the legality.
Congratulations po. Phase 2 na po ng ating Montana Misora Homes.
Magandang bahay din sa ating lahat.
Your hope is romantic is what they say. Falling in love just like our way. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. At mabuhay po ang Enrile Cagayan. At mabuhay din ang Montana Homes. Thank you.